When man just started his life journey on planet Earth, it's difficult to imagine what feelings he experienced. This world turned out to be rich in food, without which one cannot last long. But at the same time, this world doesn't forget to present surprises in the form of unpredictable dangers. We've been observing and adapting to life here since ancient times. During the day, we were warmed by a small yellow ball in the sky, and at night, another luminary lit the way. It seemed that this was created by someone especially for us. But over time, man began to explore his place in this world more and more deeply. His horizons became wider and went beyond the boundaries of the Earth and even the solar system. Then we realized that we're not the center of the universe at all. The first in outer space. Relatively recently, we learned how huge the size and the age of the universe are. It became clear that our planet is just a grain of sand among countless worlds revolving around their suns and other galaxies. The Milky Way is just one of the local group galaxies, which is part of the Virgo Galactic Supercluster, which has more than 30,000 galaxies. And there are also thousands of such superclusters, and this is only in the part of space that we observe. Unfortunately, we don't know the exact dimensions of the universe, but even what we're lucky enough to know is difficult to perceive, and the human brain is simply not yet able to fully appreciate such scales. And another amazing fact is that you and I would not exist if the stars didn't explode and scatter the building blocks for the birth of life throughout space. But we're concerned not so much with the size of the universe, but with the time allotted for us to study it. The most intriguing question: how long do I have to live? Just think, if you're lucky enough to spend 100 years in this world, then you have 5,200 weeks at your disposal. If you are now 25, then you have 3,900 weeks left. If you die at 70, you only have 2,340 weeks. Time is pressing on us. And what will happen next? All habitual processes in your body will stop, and further destruction of the body will erase your personality, which is called informational death. Of course, we shouldn't forget about the spiritual part, but we know practically nothing about this, and even less so about what can happen to it after death. Most likely, our life is all that is given to us, and we will remain dead forever. But if you think about it, the past 13-odd billion years have passed unnoticed for you, which means that you will not feel the next billion years after death. According to one of the theories of the development of the universe, it must die after a certain time. So not only you will be dead. All this sounds rather sad and frightening. From this topic, only unpleasant goosebumps appear. Therefore, we invite you to consider an unscientific and, of course, subjective point of view, which can shine a small ray of optimism. Don't get us wrong, we know no more about human existence than you do. What does that mean? Agreed. It's doubtful that trillions upon trillions of stars arose in order to make our sky incredibly beautiful, as if in a mockery. We were given a mind, thanks to which we realize that people are not the main characters in this picture. Think about it. If the universe comes to an end, then all of our mistakes and bad deeds will mean absolutely nothing. Although now they mean something only within the framework that we ourselves create. But in the end, the universe will free us from this. If our life is all that we're given to experience, then this is the only thing that really matters. It's unlikely that someone is in charge of the universe, which means that it should not have rules in its own purpose, which means that we ourselves can create them. And while humanity has not left the stage, we have the opportunity to truly live our lives. Do not forget to appreciate every second. Explore the world around you and yourself. Enjoy art. communication, delicious food, and the beautiful nature of our planet. There's no need to feel separate from the universe because we are its integral part. We can understand this and much more, which is able to reason and make incredible, life-changing discoveries. We still have so many questions. Are we alone in the universe? What is our consciousness and soul? What is life? And do we generally perceive reality correctly? We're able to find answers. Our desire and curiosity will help us. For example, traveling to other worlds that we dream of visiting. This is our only chance, and we must use it to the fullest. You also have a chance to make us happy with your likes and comments. This is a plus for karma, don't forget. We'll try to make the minutes that you spend watching our releases as productive as possible. Well, that's all for today. See you, my friend, and we hope that you will change with us.